That's a great Patreon request from Sean. He said, any Undead Unlock character. But I don't think I've drawn Undead Andy. So, main character, let's draw him. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. He's one eye smaller than the other because of the shrapnel that's like in his brain. So, center point of my page about here, about halfway, right, we'll put the eyes. We'll start with his lack of eyebrows. So it's like a frown. Go down sort of here in the middle first. And then it'll go up, down again. Like a check mark, and kind of curves down this way at the back. This is like the narrow eye, so it's kind of skinny, right? So we got like the bottom eyelid there. And then circle iris and pupil. Some hatching here. Maybe some. So he's got that big scar on this eye. Well, I'll do the small ones first down here, and then I'll come back to the big ones up there. So his other eye, right, he's got this kind of frown area again, but this eye is like real big, right? It goes up and down, right? So it's like it's much bigger than this one now. And then his bottom eyelid. And then the iris again, circle, pupil. And we got some like hatching lines around. Right, his nose, well, you got like another line in the middle, and then the nose sticks out, kind of two bumps like that, and then they draw in the shadow on the side. And you got a massive smile, like it's ridiculously big. We've got two little hooks on the side here. And then the top of his teeth. Okay, just to get you started. And then the side of his mouth comes down. And underneath. It's kind of like one piece, you know, the way the mouths are drawn. Very big teeth. The teeth are here. With a shadow in the corners. And teeth lines. They kind of do draw in each individual tooth, so. But again, they're kind of like one piece. They're just really big. Like this. And then bottom lip and chin. Like so. So real strong jaw, just coming out to about there. Kind of in line with the corners of his mouth. Oh, I went a bit far with his chin, I think. Did I? Yeah, we can go that way anyway. And then change direction up towards his sideburn, where his hair starts. Right, so he's got like a sideburn here, beside his eyes. And then his ears curve around. Ear lines inside. Easiest way. Letter J. If you want to add more detail, you can just add a little bit extra like that. And then we will do his hair. So up, spike. That. Kind of the same, well, same on the other side, but he's got these big sort of fringes first. So say like, there's like his scars underneath this. So say like spiky sort of hairline there. And then he's got these sort of brow lines, you know. And then the scar sort of underneath this. Just these carved lines. It's like shrapnel embedded. Right, and go for his hair. Just spikes, basically. Large one in the middle, I think. Let me go like that. Top of his head's kind of cut off, so can't really see. But I think it's like this. And then these all have textures that. Do that. Right. Neck muscle. Down towards his chest. Muscly guy. Adam's apple. And then his collarbones come out from the center of his chest. They do this kind of hatching thing here. And some more sort of neck muscle lines. His trapezius this way, trapezius that way. Sometimes he has like a sword sticking out of him. If you want to do that, you can, but we'll keep it simple. Shoulder muscle, sort of chest area, shoulder muscle. He's very big shoulders. He has a tattoo, 2 tattoos. $1865, and then like D, we can only see the top of it. Dead, I think. Dead end, isn't that what it says? The A is here. Capital lettering. Like so. If you want, like, you can scratch him up, splash blood on him and all that, because he's usually like in bits, sometimes literally in bits. I watched the first few episodes of the first season. I know there's a second season coming out. I think so. Anyway, thanks for the support on Patreon, Sean. So I messaged you asking which character, but I didn't get anything back. So I just went with the most obvious. See you next one. Bye.